That's supposed to be a tooth.
A tooth?
I thought it was a brain.
I thought it was a brain.
Broccoli.
Broccoli. That I see it. Thanks to Mattel for sponsoring today's video. What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer. And you know, on this channel, I include my family a lot. They're a big part of everything we do here. And I've seen some of you guys say you like seeing the family-oriented tech that we feature on the channel sometimes. So today we got something interesting. We've got Pictionary versus AI. So this right here is the Pictionary we all know and love, but it uses AI and tech to take it to another level. Now, I know a lot of you are probably wondering, what does Pictionary and AI even have to do with each other? Well, let's pop the box open and talk about this cool new version of Pictionary.
Is that a knife?
Sorta.
Well,
All right, so let's take a look at what you actually get inside of the box. All right, well, this is a board game, right? So we've got all of our pieces in here, pens, some instructions. We've got our little map or road. We've got our cards over here for us to draw on. So these are like the player pieces over here, and you'll use these tokens as you play the game. We've got our clue cards, and this is your QR code to get your AI going. So the last thing that we've got in the box right here is actually a holder. So you can place, I think, this right here. Now, this works with your mobile device. So whether that's smartphone or tablet, you actually can go ahead, scan the QR code, and then it takes you directly to the game. Oh, cool. And it gives you a little intro video for the folks who don't know exactly how to play. But you got Judd. I'll explain to you how to play. So in this game, it's a race to the finish line. Each person is going to get a card that they're going to be drawing on, as well as a pen. Everyone's also going to be getting a card. So I got you guys over here. You pick a side. Let's say we start off with blue, baseball. You actually go to the app, and here, you can set the settings to whatever you'd like. If you want your timer to be 30 seconds.
Pictionary versus AI.
Once you hit start, you'll have to draw out whatever it is that you have. Mine would be a baseball. And then you're gonna have your card sit right here. The AI is going to have to detect what you drew, and it can guess correctly or if incorrectly. But if it guesses correctly, you get to move up one spot. Now, everyone else has some skin in the game still, because depending on your drawing, they can choose whether or not they think the AI is going to get it right.
let me see you draw.
All right. We gotta test it out, right? We gotta test it out. I'll do the.
That's a hard one though, baseball.
I mean, I think I could draw a baseball. So let's do.
Everyone take a clue card and choose red or blue clues.
So we're doing blue clues. Now what's cool about this is that it pretty much walks everyone through the process. So there's no guesswork, there's no huddling around a rule sheet or something. It'll basically tell you what you need to do next. Now you might notice that we aren't using an app here. It goes right to the browser and it loads up the Pictionary game.
And you don't have to register?
No, there's no registering. You just start playing right away.
That's very good.
Yeah, it's super easy, and it doesn't collect anything that you draw. There's no data that gets stored, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. All right. You ready for the best drawing you've ever seen?
Ready, set, draw.
Okay. Jay, this is excellent work right here, man. You can't laugh at that.
What am I supposed to do?
So for you, you can guess whether or not you think the AI is going to guess correctly.
Time's up. Show us your masterpiece now.
What do you guys
Do you
think?
think I will guess correctly?
I think you can get it. It's pretty easy.
I say no.
You say no, Jay?
Okay.
So I'm going first. Okay.
Baseball.
Let's go. Come on, man.
I think she heard you. So.
No, she didn't hear anything. All right, so I get to move up one. Dom, you also get to move up one. Jay, you stay behind because you got no faith. Okay, so clearly I'm Van Gogh. Jay, if you wanna jump in here and give it a shot, you're next.
Okay.
I like this. I like how, you know, the interaction with everyone is still there. Everyone still has skin in the game with every round. The AI works pretty well. Now it's time to take it home and see how it works in a real game. All right, you guys, so we brought Pictionary home. I got my family here with me. We are going to be playing for the first time. So this is Pictionary with AI. So it's got a little bit of a twist to it. So I'll explain how it goes.
Let's do
And
this. Ready, set, draw.
I hope AI will know.
oh,
I suppose this could be a snail.
Yes. Good job. That's just bad, Mom. Here you go.
yeah.
Bet against her too. Let's just do it
I'm
against
betting
her,
against-
not me.
Now listen, if she gets it right, if AI gets it right, she gets to move up too.
Well, she's not gonna get it right. Don't
That's
worry.
pretty bad. Okay, let's see. This I got
Scanning indicates a dog.
you.
Processing
Wow, that was so fast.
a lion.
A lion?
I don't know how. What do you mean? What was it, Jay?
It's a fish.
It's a face.
A face?
Yeah.
See?
Right, Austin? That looks like a face, right?
Oh, shit.
Here's something new. We can do challenges. It can randomly pick a different way for us to draw.
Helping hand, pass your board to the left. Draw a single line on your new board and then pass it back.
Oh, basically, we draw one thing to kind of, I guess, obstruct the AI. So we pass our cards over. I'm gonna go, yeah, I'm just gonna,
Now we just start drawing our thing.
all right.
Ready, set, draw. Time's up. Let's see what you've drawn.
Oh, you got a good one, Mom.
Place your tokens.
I'm betting on Mom this time.
I don't know what Ma drew.
I'm
What
betting
is,
on that.
what is that?
Oh wait, Dad's looks even better. Hold up.
Yeah, I'm going. Okay, we ready for the reveal? A boomerang?
I'm glad I didn't bet on you. Oh my, I thought it was a banana.
Don't blame me if this is wrong. A feather.
Feather.
Feather. Ooh. So we all get to move up because we all bet against her.
I hope you enjoy a challenge.
Oh, we're doing the challenge. Okay.
Oh boy, now we gotta draw fast.
Ready,
15.
Half the time.
time to see what you've drawn.
Okay. Ma, I got you.
More than me? Oh, negative.
Okay, we ready for the
That's
reveal?
with your tooth.
A tooth?
I thought it was a brain.
I thought it was a brain.
Broccoli.
Broccoli. That I see it.
Do I see a frog?
A
Ooh,
frog.
I bet against you. Let's
Good
go.
for you.
Draw without looking.
Oh my God. I'll come get this baby because I'm about to get real hard.
Draw without looking. That's crazy. Oh. But that's what your eyes
I have
closed?
my eyes closed. I hope Jay caught it. My eyes were closed. Dad, what? Yeah, for sure.
I don't know what that is.
Uh-oh,
but-
might bet against me. I just grabbed my eyes.
A cup.
A cup. We
Fair.
all bet
It looks
against
like
them.
Well, winner, chicken dinner.
Are you serious? Anna wins. Wait,
I'm
hold
the
on.
winner.
Let's have this. Let's go through.
Victory.
All right. Well,
Well,
That's it.
hi, babe.
congratulations.
Thank you, everybody. I did this with my eyes closed. I can't believe this.
Austin, who do you think drew the best pictures? Nene.
That's your favorite, right?
All right. All right. You like that one? What is it, Austin?
I don't know.
All right, you guys. This is fun. This is like a great way to spend like a night with the family, game night. But that about wraps it up, guys. If you guys want to check out Pictionary versus AI, I'll of course have links down below in the description. So if you guys want to check it out, you know where to go. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm gonna try and do another round and beat these guys. Let's do it. Come on. Austin, what are you drawing?
Masterpiece.
Austin's masterpiece.
Uh-oh.